Welcome to my kitchen. This is where all the cooking magic begins. From my kitchen to yours, let's begin. Today I will be making seasoned rice, and the ingredients I'll be using in my seasoned rice are dried shrimp, saltfish or salt codfish, chicken bouillon, butter, coconut powder, and coconut cream. I'll be using both. Mixed seasoning, a blend of mixed seasoning right there. Thyme, pepper, green onion, rice. And for those who watch my video, you guys know why I always use a strainer to wash my rice. Here we go. First, I'm boiling the saltfish or the salt codfish. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to mix the coconut cream powder. First, I add some hot water, coconut cream powder, and then I'll just add it to it. Make sure it's all in there and just mix it out. There it is, ready to go. After my codfish is boiled, I rinse it and break it up in small pieces like that. Next, I'm gonna add the coconut cream that I'd mixed with the hot water. Coconut cream from the can. I'm gonna add some water. Add my dried shrimp. There it is, bubbling up. I'm getting ready to add the rice to it. Hi guys, thank you for watching. For my usual and faithful people, thank you for always being there, supporting me, giving me the thumbs up. I do appreciate you guys. Don't forget to press the notification bell. And for my new people, welcome. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Next, I'm gonna add the rice into it. I already washed my rice, and you guys know, as I always say, I like to wash my rice in a strainer because it washes it well and the water drain off pretty easily. I put the rice in the pot and I'm gonna give it a good stir. There we go. And you can see there, everything is in there. The green onion, the thyme, pepper, salt codfish, the dry shrimp right there. You can see everything is in there. Cover it up and let it slowly cook, and I'm gonna reduce the heat of my stove, and then we'll check in to see after 10 minutes. Checking in on the rice, the seasoned rice. I'm just gonna turn it over, use a fork. It's still cooking, not ready as yet, but I'm just gonna, we call this pick up the rice, top to bottom, and cover it up and let it finish cook. Checking in. As you can see, it's finished. You can see bits of the salt codfish. Here's the shrimp, the dry shrimp. There, you can see it. Here's a pepper which I'm gonna take out. Guys, it smells delicious, and I know it's gonna taste also delicious. Here's my dish, guys. My dish of seasoned rice. Bing, just like magic.